Good day, farmers. My name is Hank Saisai, Agribank's technical advisor for crops and poultry. Here is a tip of the week. Since we know that we are experiencing effects of climate change, it becomes essential for us farmers to know that we don't have to leave our soil exposed to wind and water erosion. So what you can do for every area where you are producing crops, try to have permanent soil cover. What do I mean by permanent soil cover? Whenever I grow a vegetable or a crop here, I don't have to take it out completely. If I'm growing, for instance, this plant here as an example, after harvesting the crop and I know that I will not use this plot for a long period of time, I just cut it somewhere here and leave 10 centimeters of its material on top of the soil plus the root system. The root system holds the soil particles together. Even if it becomes windy, the soil will not be exposed to wind erosion, so it will still remain in the same place. And after harvesting, I can prune or do whatever I do with these things that I don't want in the garden anymore. Then I just lay them on top of the soil, and then they act as mulching material. So I conserve the amount of moisture that remains in the soil for a long period of time. So don't let your soils be exposed. Try to keep it covered and try to have root systems available to keep the particles together. If the soil doesn't have any root particles, you can see here I have a bit of soil particles that are bounded to a root particle. If there is no growth or any life in your soil, it becomes exposed. As you can see, if I loosen these particles, the soil is easily blown away by wind. But in this case, I can clearly see that this root system is still having some soil particles bounded to it. And that is how you protect your soil. If you are able to protect your soil, you extend the productivity of your soil, and your gardening operation becomes sustainable and it becomes environmentally friendly. Thank you.